So now we will see order of a matrix. Order of a matrix is the number of rows and number of columns which a matrix will contain is called order of a matrix. So the number of rows and number of columns in a matrix is called order of a matrix. And it is represented by M cross N. And we will read it as M by N, means we will read it M by N, where M is the number of rows and N is the number of columns. Order of a matrix is always represented in the bottom side of right side. So now we will see examples like this matrix elements are 3, 5, 6, 7. So it contains 2 rows and 2 columns. So its order will be 2 by 2. This matrix has 3 rows and 3 columns. So its order will be 3 by 3. Means it has 3 rows and 3 columns. So order of a matrix is always written on the right hand side bottom, and it means that which number of rows and number of columns which the matrix contain is called order of a matrix. So the questions based on this are: if a matrix has 16 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? So first see, whatever the number of elements is given, you have to find out how many factors of that number is available. So every number is first divisible by 1. So it will be first divisible by 1. So its order will be 1 by 16 and its opposite 16 by 1. Now 16 is also divisible by 2. So its order will be 2 by 8, 8 by 2. Next 16 is divisible by 4. So its order will be 4 by 4. So these 5 are the possible orders for 16 elements. Next question, if matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders? So first I told you that the number is divisible by 1, so first order will be 1 by 24, 24 by 1. Next 24 is divisible by 2, so 2 by 12 and 12 by 2. Next 24 is divisible by 3, so 3 by 8, 8 by 3. Next 24 is divisible by 4, so 4 by 6 and 6 by 4. So these are the possible orders for 24 elements. For 36 elements and 48 elements. It's your DIY, means do it yourself.